That I mentioned it today, so the members have said that let the swearing in be completed tomorrow. Then once we sit again as a MDA, then the nitty-gritties of the common minimum program and coordination committee and other aspects will all be taken up there. One will go to the Hspdp and one will go to the BJP. So that is the format of the sharing of the portfolio, the berths, cabinet berths, and out of these 12 cabinet berths, 4 of them, including Chief Minister, will be from the Garo Hills region, and 8 of the cabinet ministers will be from the Hspdp Hills region. So this decision, of course, was not taken in the MDA, but I'm just informing you about the breakup that has been worked out with all the respective partners. Also, we have passed a resolution within the party regarding the candidature for the speaker's post and the election. So the NPP has proposed name and have entrusted me to speak to the rest of the coalition partners to formalize the name. And once I speak to the coalition partners and get their consent, we will be announcing the name of the candidate for the speaker's post.
And the speaker will be from which party?
So we'll talk.
You have not given any.
No, the PDF is not in the cabinet.
So which portfolio goes to which party?
That is decided later after the swearing in takes place.
Will we have names of the new cabinet ministers to be sworn in tomorrow?
We'll tell you later in the evening. We're finalizing that part. Okay?
Common minimum program, what are the...
Yeah, so we have not decided on that. I mentioned it today. So the members have said that